Need to update your Android apps manually? You are in the right place. In today's tutorial, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to manually update apps on any Android phone in 2026 guide. Just follow each step and you will have your apps updated in only a few minutes without any hassle. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. After the app is open, locate at the top right center and tap on your Google profile icon to open the menu. Then scroll down a little. Find the Manage Apps and Device option, tap on it. Now look for the Update Available section. Here tap on the See Details option. Now you can see all of the update apps available there. If you find the app you want to update, for example, I am update the YouTube. Tap on the update button next to their name and wait to complete the process. However, if you decide to updating all apps at the one time, simply tap on the update all button at the top right corner and wait to completing the process. Your apps are now up to date. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Android guides. Thanks for watching and take care.